Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hello, I hope you stick around and I hope you maybe check out some other videos, just feel out the vibes, see if you like it here. Try me, just try me, like, please. So I'm so weird, I need to calm down immediately. So starting off in the video, I am applying some soft gel X tips, which isn't normally the vibe here, but I gotta say I like it and I get why this is very popular. They're very easy to do and so simple. You can't really go wrong with it either. So I did lose footage as well, of course I did. So this is why we are here for a very short time and a good time and not a long time. I think this is like the shortest video I've ever done on this channel, so let me know what you think. Do you prefer very short videos? Do you prefer like 20 minutes, or do you want me here for 2 to 3 business days taking up all of your time? Because I can do all of that. Let me know. So I am just going in with my 5-in-1 bit and I'm just going around the cuticles, sort of sealing that in and kind of making it a little bit flush and tidying it up. I do go over the entire surface of the nail with my e-file. However, if you have been here for a minute, you know that I am severely obsessed and like sort of, we cannot let the nail file go. We cannot. We're very passionate about hand filing. So here we are, perfect timing. I am using my 180 grit, and again I'm just going over the entire surface as I definitely don't trust my abilities with the e-file. We are still getting acquainted, and yeah, so I am a little bit out of frame, and this is because I've moved spaces. We've took a little bit step back in our nail journey. So I did have like a little setup in my dining room, but I'm currently not taking on any clients at the moment, as I do want to eventually do like a at-home salon for anyone who doesn't know. So we've took a little bit of a step back and we have downsized and sort of took it, like I've took all my nail stuff upstairs into my bedroom where it's sort of like my dressing table. We're making it like a 2-in-1. So I have moved spaces, so that's why I'm a little bit out of frame. It's a new desk, it's a new vibe, we are adjusting. With anything, I feel like when you're taking steps back and not progressing forward, I feel like it can be very discouraging. But I do feel like that sometimes it's better to just step back, look at it with fresh eyes, go back to the drawing board, like reprocess and just calibrate and just get your bearings again. Because sometimes you can run away with your bad self. So I am trying to look at it in a positive way. And yeah, I think whatever happens over the next couple of years, it's my journey, it's messy, it's real, and it's very relatable as well though. Like sometimes things don't just always go to plan, especially on like social media. You see things and you just like, I want that, or like, why aren't I deserving? And it's not that, it's just, this is real. So I'm not saying their perfect lives aren't real, but not everything is as it seems on social media. So do remember that. While I'm just having a great time filing and taking my steps back, I just quickly wanted to discuss my giveaway. I did say a while ago when I hit 200 subscribers that I did want to do a giveaway. So I need anyone who's watching this video who's interested in entering, I need you to like either say UK or international, or give me your flag. Give me a green flag. No, I'm joking. Yeah, either just say UK, drop me a comment UK or international, just so I know like how many UK people will enter, or how many, does that make sense? And then I need to discuss, well, not discuss, maybe I can discuss with you. Maybe I could do like a little poll on my community thing. Listen to me not knowing what I'm talking about. To just like think of what I need to do. I have got a few bits of like nail stuff that I could give away, but I need to know what I'm working with. So let me know down below if you are UK or international. Give me a comment, either that or the flags, so I know what I'm working with, and then I can decide on what to do for my giveaway. And we are in full swing of the nail art, and I didn't realise I was just like looking off into the distance out the window, enjoying that little bit of sun and not paying attention, obviously. So I don't even know what this design is. It's kind of giving like dragon vibes a little bit. I don't know though. Someone let me know what this is and what is happening, because I don't know. So this little thing that I'm working on, I feel like it's kind of like a dragon's egg, like wrapped in like gold smoky mist. I don't know, okay? I'm just here doing nail art. So I'm gonna need you to just feed the delusion and just agree to disagree that this is like a dragon set. On here I'm just using sculpting gel, and I'm just making these like little wave things. What are these? What are these called? Oh my gosh. Get it together. Honestly, I think I need to delete this voiceover. Start again. Try again tomorrow. So we have discussed everything but the nails and the nail art. So let's just quickly run through it. On the ring finger, I'm doing like the aura design. So just a gel polish, cured that for 60 seconds. And then I do go in with my little sponge and do very light layers of white gel polish. Cured it until I was happy. Applied matte top coat. Did my delusional dragon egg wrapped in gold mist. I did use just that green cat eye gel and the liquid chrome. So much easier than to isolate, and then I'm just filling that in with top coat, and that's all I'm pretty much using, as well as the sculpting gel. Very simple. It's kind of cute though. It's very different from what I normally do. My sets are usually like normally very girly and like just, but this is like a little vibe and I'm here for it. It's kind of spicy and I like it. Yeah, so I want to quickly just discuss, before we run out of time, my binge watch hours giveaway for the previous week. So for anyone, oh my god, here she goes again. For anyone who doesn't know already, I do binge watch hour giveaways on my channel, and if you are interested in entering, it's very simple. All you have to do is like this video and drop me a comment with some dragon emojis or a dragon egg. Just be expressive. Just, I want you to go for it, and we're just going to decide if you're entered or not. Oh my gosh, I'm fine, honestly. So for this week's winner is Mom's Nails and Kids Chaos. I mean, if that doesn't describe my life to a T, like what does? So if that picture is of your family as well, by the way, absolutely gorgeous, like beautiful. What a beautiful family you have. Let me, like, honestly, it's so cute. I'm getting all like flustered here just even trying to discuss. You seem very cute. You seem like you've got a really good vibe, and you're passionate about nails, so we've got something in common. So I hope we can support each other's channels for a while. Definitely go check her out if you've got some spare time. If you want to be in this week's giveaway, if you have your own channel, you have to like this video, be a public subscriber, and yeah, do give me a dragon egg, give me dragon emojis, give me your dragon pet name. I want you to just go for it and just live your best life in the comment. So you go do that. So on this nail, it's what is happening. Let's just look, assess and react. So I feel like this is just kind of like dragon skin, like it's like maybe like the tail or the back, I don't know. It looks better when I add the gold. Yeah, so I'm just talking myself into this. This is what happens when we're not too acknowledgeable about what's what in the world, and I'm not even 30 yet, so I've still got so much to learn. So bear with me, guys. Let's learn together. This is like, it's just giving dragon vibes, but beginner friendly, because like I think I've googled dragon skin and stuff, like, and it's kind of it, but not. I got really lazy on the thumb. If you've made it this far, give me like a thumbs up to let me know you're okay. I feel like if you made it this far, you're super loyal. Like, let everyone know that you're loyal, like, because you've stayed through thick and thin with me on this video, and I am proud of you. And I'm proud of me for getting through this voiceover. If you haven't subscribed already and you're new, I mean, I don't blame you. Like, honestly, definitely go check out some other videos and just feel out the vibes. Just make sure you like it here before you stay, because honestly, if I lose a subscriber, it ruins my day. It really does. So make sure you likey before you subscribe. So definitely drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Not of my personality, of the nails. That's all. Don't overshare. So I'm gonna go because I'm applying top coat, and yeah, so I think I've just done the most on this video, and I think I've pulled a muscle from my class on Sunday. So let's quickly just have like a little story time. So on Sunday, I'm trying to get my splits, I'm doing my thing, I'm dropping it like it's hot, and I'm feeling good, and she is motivating me. She's like, push, keep going, you've got this. She was such a hype girl, and I'm like, yes, like, this is hurting at this point, and I'm like, yes, I'm gonna keep going because she's telling me to. And I heard like a pop in my leg, so now I'm like fighting for my life to walk. I don't think I've done something really, really bad, but I think I've just overdone it, overstretched. But anyway, this girl, she's super nice. She's got this lovely face that's like, talk to me, so inviting, the conversation's good. She could 100% start a cult. I would not recommend. Can I say cult on here? Can I say cult on YouTube? I don't know. But some people have a gift of just talking you into anything, and she is one of them. We're not going to tell her to start nothing, because we're not going to give her any ideas, but I just thought, what a gift to like talk anyone into anything, to even pull in a muscle in their leg. So story time over. That is like 12 minutes you're not going to get back of your life, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.